Welcome to my YouTube channel, Accounting with Francisco. So today, in this session, I am going to discuss about bank reconciliation statement. So in your paper, there are some methods that a question from this bank reconciliation can come. So the first method is this statement format. So they give you this bank account and the bank statement, and they can ask you to prepare the adjusted bank account and the bank reconciliation statement. So let's see how to deal with questions like this. So first of all, you must know that there is a short method here. Now you can do like this. Debit side of the bank account, debit side of the bank account, compare with the credit side of the bank statement. Debit side of the bank account, you must compare with the credit side of the bank statement. And credit side of the bank account, you can compare with the debit side of the bank statement. So let's compare and see. Now, this is the debit side of the bank account, or else you can say even cash account. So here you have balance brought forward 15,000. So I said to you, you must check debit side with the credit side, no? But now this is the balance, no? 15,000 is a balance. Therefore, that 15,000 you must check in the balance column of the bank statement. That's means from here. Balance 15,000. So 15,000 is there. 15,000 is there. And next one, cash deposit 8,000. Cash deposit 8,000. So you can see here in the credit side of the bank statement, you have 8,000. And the next one, check deposit 65. So 65 means check number 12,000. So here you can see in the bank statement, check number 65, 12,000. So please check the check numbers as well. And the next one, check deposit 46, 5,000. So in the bank statement also, check deposit, check number 46, 5,000. And there is a 7,000 cash deposit. So in the bank statement also, you have that cash deposit. Next one, check deposit 58. Can you see in the credit side of the bank statement a check deposit of 14,000 with the check number 58,000? No, right? So then what you must do is you must circle them. Now this 14,000 is not there, circle it. And again, in the bank statement, 11,000 is not there. So circle it. Circle it. And another thing I want to say now in this balance column, after 15,000, you might think how this 23,000 has come. So you must know in a bank statement, the credit items are added to the balance and the debit items are subtracted. So this 23,000 came like this: 15,000 plus 8,000, 23,000. 23,000, I said you debit item should be subtracted. 23,000 minus 10,000, 13,000. 13,000 plus 12,000, 25,000. 25,000 plus 5,000, 30,000. So like that it is going. And you must check the credit side with the debit side. So here creditors check number 112, 10,000. So here also check number 112, 10,000. And check number 113, 4,000. 4,000. Is there a check number 114? No. So then circle it. And in the bank statement, 18,000 is not there. 3,000 is not there. So now we have circled some items. No? In the bank account, we have circled in the debit side 14,000, in the credit side 16,000. In the bank statement, in the debit side 18,000 and 3,000, in the credit side 11,000 rupees. So here you have a balance of 31,000. So for that we are not doing anything. We are using this balance 31,000 when we prepare the adjusted cash or bank account. We must start with this 31,000. So it's like a flow. We must start the question with this 31,000. Now here you can see bank account adjusted. So I said to you that 31,000 balance should be taken to the adjusted bank account. So here we have the 31,000 balance. So that one should go to adjusted bank account. And another thing, items which are in the credit side of the bank statement, credit circle, the items which are circle in the credit side of the bank statement, that is 11,000. You can put in the debit side of the adjusted account. And items which are circled in the debit side of the bank statement, you must put in the credit side of the bank account, adjusted bank account. So let's see. Now I showed you that 31,000 balance should be taken. How this 11,000 came? 11,000 came from the bank statement credit side. I asked you to circle it. So I said you, items which are in the credit side of the bank statement, you must record in the debit side of the adjusted bank account. As well as in the question, in the debit side of the bank statement, you had 18,000 and 3,000. No? So these two also are coming. Then if you balance off, you will end up with 21,000. So this is like a flow. Now this 21,000 you must use to make the bank reconciliation statement like this. You can start with the 21,000. Then what you must do is, you must add unpresented checks and subtract unrealized checks. So we had one unpresented check and one unrealized check. Now if you see this one, here 14,000 is not circled and here 16,000 is not circled. So remember, items which are in the debit side of the bank account are unrealized checks. You must subtract them from the bank statement. Items which are in the credit side of the bank account, they are unpresented check. You must add them. So here 14,000 is the unpresented unrealized check and 16,000 is the unpresented check. So here you can see, for this 21,000, you can add the unpresented check 16,000 and subtract the unrealized check 14,000. You will end up with 23,000. So you must put the check numbers as well. Now here there is some method to check this answer, whether you are correct. How this 23,000 is correct. So here you are writing now balance as per bank statement. Go to your bank statement and see whether what is the figure available. At the end, there is 23,000 no, as the balance in the bank statement. And in the bank reconciliation statement also we got 23,000. So practice this question more and more so that they will be very easy. So thank you for watching my video. Please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet you with another video very soon. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.